Venus, baby. This is your mother. Oh, Venus. I'm so worried about you. We haven't heard from you in months. Now, I know that you told me that you and your schoolmates were working on a very important school project. But I talked to the Dean of Science, and she told me that she has no knowledge of any special project for the university's science department, and that I should speak to my daughter about her extracurricular activities. Venus, I know you've always been gifted, and I know you feel as though you can handle any problems that may come your way. The university says that you are a once-in-a-generation prodigy, and that you are one of the finest minds since Einstein. But you're only human, Venus. You are a young lady. You're only 19 years old. And please, please, baby, slow down just a little bit and allow yourself to be what you are, a beautiful young lady. Baby, I love you, Venus. Please call us. We're worried about you, and we only want you to know that... So we just need to know that you're all right, honey. Please call your sister Yasha. She really needs you right now in her life. She's a smart girl, too, you know. Too smart for her own age. She's trying to fill your shoes, Venus. She needs her big sister. She really needs her big sister. Oh, well. Anyway, we love you, Venus. We love you very much. Please call us, baby. Talk to you later. I love you. Bye-bye.